Frank, 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 Frank. I told you the fight would be close. And in the end, Richard Frank Holmes was just one hometown decision away from winning the contender title. But the judge them never worked with Frank. But let me say this. If I was a judge in that fight and that decision dropped in my hand, Frank Holmes win the fight. Could not lose. This is worse than that in a boxing. Anyway, big up Frank. You lose the fight, but you win the fans with that gutsy, heart and soul performance. But again, you're going to have to live with these words. If you never get tired and run out of steam, you would have win the fight. Anyway, what would the contender final be? Without a little controversy, that moment came when Sakima Mullins interrupted the live post-fight interview.
Ask him when he's going to fight Sakima Mullins. Ask him when he's going to fight.
What do you think about it? Ill-mannered? Out of order? Inappropriate? Me like it. The public would love to see a fight between Sakima Mullins and Magic Man Salas. That fight would have sell off like hot bread. And this kind of spontaneous, unscripted moment takes place in boxing all over the world. Right now, that little intervention by Sakima alone make me well want to see this fight. Anyway, big up Frank Holmes again. The referee them to give the hometown decision, my boss. What you mean? Make Salas and him friend them go ball about it. Yes, yes. Me still a say, Frank. No, me never say hug. Me say Frank.